Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the best Shopify email marketing platform. Now, Ryan here, he runs an e-commerce email marketing agency that's worked with hundreds of clients, generated tens of millions in revenue in e-commerce emails, marketing revenue. And Ryan, what is your favorite Shopify email marketing software?
All right, so you probably already know this, but Klaviyo is hands down my favorite Shopify email marketing software out there. A lot of people, they try and get creative when it comes to email marketing softwares. Maybe they want to stay, they don't want to pay very much money, so they stay on a cheaper one like MailChimp, end up getting terrible results and then think email marketing doesn't work for them. Maybe they want to try and get overly complicated and get set up on something like ActiveCampaign, and then realize that it integrates terribly with Shopify and that you can't really read any data. And then they look at Klaviyo. When they come to Klaviyo, I will say every single client that I've brought over to Klaviyo has had a fantastic experience. Firstly, when it comes to setting up Klaviyo, super easy when it comes to Shopify. There's like a one-click integration where you can port everything over from your Shopify store, all of your customer data, all of your transactions, everything can get loaded into Klaviyo, so you can be set up right from day one with all of your customer data. And that transition is, it's just one click. If you're on another subpar email marketing software, Klaviyo actually integrates with a few of them like MailChimp, and you can port over your entire email list and all your data from that email list right over to Klaviyo and start setting it up. If you want to send out really specific emails to specific segments of your list, Klaviyo gives you that deep dive integration with your shopping store where you can go in, you can say, oh, I want to send an email who bought this product from this category in the last 90 days and send them a special email because maybe, let's say there was a small issue with that product. You can set up that segment within 1 minute on Klaviyo and send that email out to that segment of your audience. If you want to segment something, do some different segments for maybe some promos, send your VIP customers who have bought 2 or more times, send them a special deal, and then send a different deal to the people who have never bought. You can do that easily on Klaviyo. If you want to even integrate an email marketing flow that uses Klaviyo's artificial intelligence to detect when someone is likely to repurchase again based on their previous purchase history as well as the purchase history across your store, you can do that on Klaviyo. And it takes you probably 1 minute to set up. If you want to create amazing looking emails, they're so easy to do on Klaviyo. I can't say enough amazing things about this system. They also have a great support team on the back end. I'm sure maybe there are some other email marketing softwares that are pretty similar to Klaviyo, but because Klaviyo is just the #1 in the game, it integrates with almost every tool out there just so easily. If you want to even set up custom API calls, it's pretty simple on Klaviyo. So I highly recommend. Klaviyo is the #1 Shopify email marketing software for a good reason, just because it's so damn easy to use and it creates such amazing results for all of my clients that I work with.
Yeah, and I think that sums it up. I mean, honestly, like if you're using MailChimp for e-commerce email marketing, it's just a bad idea. You know, if you're past $10,000 a month, you shouldn't be using MailChimp. I would get started with Klaviyo, honestly. And it blows my mind because like literally 50% of e-commerce store owners, they're like using MailChimp or ActiveCampaign or some other system, Constant Contact. I don't know. There's so many crappy systems out there. E-commerce stores, use Klaviyo, just easier. And also on the ad side, it's better. Like for example, when we ran Facebook ads for a client, the ones that had Klaviyo, it was so much easier. And for example, even with exporting very specific lists so you can target them with YouTube ads or Facebook ads, so much easier with Klaviyo. So yeah, go with that. And thanks again, Ryan. By the way, Ryan has a little bonus for you guys. He's got his 10 newsletter templates for e-commerce. So link below to download those email templates and check out kind of Ryan's agency, Email All-Stars. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys want more e-commerce videos or videos from us, let me know in the comments section what you want and throw me a like, smash the subscribe button so I can keep making these kind of videos and keep getting guests like Ryan. Ryan's a very busy guy. He runs a huge agency. He's on here to help you guys out. So give him a like, guys. Cheers.